When you are trying to grow a business, traditional automation often feels more tiring than helpful over time. You spend long hours building detailed triggers, then suddenly notice things stop working or need fixes again. It can wear you down, and honestly, it pulls attention away from the creative planning you prefer. This is exactly where ActiveCampaign steps in. It has grown from a simple email tool into a fully automated marketing platform. By combining email features, SMS, and WhatsApp into one system, it is built to carry the heavy workload for you. Today, we will go through ActiveCampaign and see how it automates marketing to deliver better, consistent results without ongoing frustration involved. Moving right into the core of the platform, the email section is where most people start their journey. When you jump into the Email tab, you'll notice that ActiveCampaign has streamlined the process into two very distinct paths: content and free design services. If you're the type who likes to take the reins, the content section is your playground. Here you can upload your own copy and images, but the real magic is the integrated AI. If you're feeling a bit stuck on visuals, you can actually generate unique images using their AI tool right inside the builder, which saves a massive amount of time sourcing stock photos. On the flip side, if you want a professional look without touching a single design setting, you have the free design services. This is a standout feature where you essentially hand the keys to their experts. You pick a foundational template, and then you share the essentials: your website URL, your specific brand color codes, and your logo. From there, the ActiveCampaign team takes those requirements and builds out custom email templates that match your brand's identity perfectly. It's like having a design agency on speed dial, ensuring every email you send looks polished and professional from day one. Building on that multi-channel approach, we have to look at the SMS marketing side of things, which is where you really start to see the speed of this platform. In today's world, people check their text messages much faster than their email inboxes, often within minutes, and ActiveCampaign makes it surprisingly simple to tap into that immediate attention. To get started, you head over to the SMS tab, where the first step is registering your business. This is a vital part of the process because of modern regulations like A2P 10DLC in the States or similar rules elsewhere. The platform actually guides you through this so your messages don't end up blocked by carriers. Once you're verified, running a campaign is a very logical step-by-step process. You start by drafting your message in a preview window that looks exactly like a mobile phone screen. You want to keep it short and punchy since you're working with limited characters, but you can easily drop in personalization tags so each text addresses the person by their first name. The beauty here isn't just sending a mass text to everyone at once, it's about the integration. You can choose specific segments, or even better, set up an automated trigger. For instance, if someone clicks a link in your email about a flash sale but doesn't buy within 2 hours, you can have the system automatically send them a text with a unique discount code. You set the delivery window so you aren't texting people in the middle of the night, add your tracking links to see who is clicking, and hit start. It creates a direct line to your customer's pocket that feels helpful and timely rather than intrusive, and the engagement rates usually reflect that. Now, if you really want to meet your customers where they are on a global scale, the WhatsApp automation is a significant game changer that goes way beyond simple texting. Since ActiveCampaign is an official business solutions provider, the setup is integrated directly into your dashboard rather than requiring a messy third-party workaround. The process begins by connecting your Meta business account and verifying a dedicated phone number that will serve as your brand's voice on the app. Once that connection is solid, you move into creating message templates. WhatsApp is a bit more formal with their rules, so you'll design templates for specific things, like order confirmations, shipping updates, or appointment reminders. These templates go through a quick approval process from Meta to ensure they meet quality standards, and once they are greenlit, they become powerful tools in your automation shed. You can build these right into your existing visual workflows just like an email. For example, if a customer reaches out via your website's WhatsApp button, the system can instantly tag them as a warm lead, send an automated greeting to keep them engaged, and then route that entire conversation to your sales team's mobile app or desktop. You can even use buttons inside the WhatsApp messages, allowing customers to click "Yes, I'm interested" or "Track my order" right from the chat bubble. This turns a simple messaging app into a fully automated sales and support engine that handles the repetitive questions and keeps the conversation flowing even when you're busy with other tasks. Connecting all these channels together happens inside the Contacts tab, which is essentially the brain of your customer journey. When you look at a contact record, you're not just seeing a name and an email address, you're seeing a live timeline of every interaction they've had with your brand. This includes every page they visited on your site, every email they've opened, and every SMS they replied to. This transparency allows you to see exactly where a person is in their journey, whether they're just browsing or ready to buy. You can manually add tags or let the system do it based on behavior, ensuring what the journey they experience is tailored to their specific interests, rather than a generic one-size-fits-all path. Speaking of paths, the Automation Builder is where the autonomous part of the platform truly lives. This is a visual drag-and-drop flowchart that lets you map out exactly what happens when a customer takes an action. It's incredibly intuitive. You start with a trigger, like a form submission or a product purchase, and then you just start adding bricks to the wall. You can add wait conditions, if-else branches, and go-to actions to create very sophisticated logic without writing a single line of code. If a customer opens an email, send them a follow-up. If they don't, wait 3 days and try a different subject line. It's this level of granular control that allows your marketing to run 24/7 while you focus on other parts of your business. To make sure all these moving parts are actually working, you need to keep a close eye on the revenue and performance insights. ActiveCampaign doesn't just give you basic open rates, it provides a deep dive into how your automations are impacting your bottom line. Under the Reporting tab, you can see specific revenue attribution, which tells you exactly which email or which automation sequence resulted in a sale. You'll find insights into list growth, campaign engagement, and even win probability for your sales deals. Taking things a step further, the platform has recently leaned heavily into AI-assisted workflows to make the build process even faster. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, you can use the AI Automation Builder. You basically type in what you want to achieve, and the AI will sketch out the entire workflow for you. It suggests the best triggers, the ideal wait times, and even the types of content that usually perform best for that specific goal. It's like having a senior marketing consultant sitting right next to you, making sure your logic is sound and your strategy is optimized for the best possible engagement. So, if you are looking to move beyond basic newsletters and want a system that actually thinks and reacts to your customers in real time, ActiveCampaign is easily one of the most powerful tools available right now. It bridges the gap between simple email and complex CRM beautifully. If you are ready to see how it can transform your own marketing, we would highly recommend you to test these workflows yourself. Check out the description to get the sign-up link. Share your thoughts on ActiveCampaign in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.